Hi guys. Okay, so I feel really stupid. I've been recording this video, but I wasn't actually recording. So we're gonna start this unboxing in the middle of the unboxing. At least I realized before I completely finished, right? So we are unboxing Diamond Art Club Flower Delivery. This is by Yume Art. It is a square diamond shape with the size of 22 inches by 32 inches or 55.8 centimeters by 80 centimeters, 80.7 centimeters, excuse me. So it comes in this pretty box. Diamond Art Club, their square kits have blue accents with a square symbol, a square shape on the front, and their round kits have a circle with pink accents on it. The back of this box shows how diamond painting works, and it shows your kit elements, which are a premium velvet tarpaulin canvas, color-coded resin diamonds, magic diamond applicator, a comfort grip, multi-placer and tweezers, 2 wax pads, a craft tray, and resealable baggies, and an inventory sheet with pre-cut sticker labels. So while you were gone and I was doing this unboxing, I opened this up. I explained the fact that this was on a really good discount because they didn't have approval of the rendering before it went into production. So they're actually going to re-release this at a later date, and they highly discounted the ones that were not up to their quality standards. I'm going to get both. Studio, if I can, get the next one. I mean, that's kind of assuming a lot sometimes. So Studio Ghibli is my favorite. This art is based on the movie Kiki's Delivery Service, so I had to get it. I don't care if it's not perfect rendering. I actually saw the projected end results of this and I really liked it, so I'm gonna do both. I'm also gonna try to do a comparison video of the two of them when I'm done, if you guys are interested in that. Comes with this sticker. Comes with a toolkit. The toolkit is, this is a newer toolkit, but it has an interesting variety of things. So it's a little bit different than the newer toolkits I've seen. The only thing that they guarantee in their toolkits are the things that I read to you on the back of the box there. So you never really know what to get these days. It's kind of random with the standard set of things that it comes with. Colors are random. If you get washi tape or a cover minder, that's totally random. I got a yellow pen. It's what I got last time. This tray here is just white. It's like they're clear with gold flecked trays, but it's just white. I got these tweezers. They're black. Typically I've seen pink tweezers in their kits, but that's okay because I like black. It comes with baggies. It comes with wax, except for that I dropped it on the floor. As I was saying, it comes with wax. This has a container, little heart-shaped container to put both your pads of wax in. Very nice and convenient. I only go through about half a pad of wax, even on the bigger kits. So I never need this many. I'm sure that some people do. If you end up needing more wax, there's a lot of stores out there on Etsy that sell wax and putty. There's some really cool ones out there. I've done a few videos on that, various unboxings from places. So feel free to check that out or ask me questions if you have any more. I have some good recommendations. I have some friends who make and sell these things. This cover minder I got with it. Oh gosh, I went on for about 10 minutes in the previous video, so maybe it's good it wasn't recording. I love this cover minder. Cherry blossoms, one of my favorite things. Studio Ghibli and cherry blossoms, and I tell you, this kit has it all for me, and I'm so in love. So this is going to be probably one of my favorite cover minders forever. It's a cherry blossom, and it's pink, clear, sparkly. I had a little problem with removing this top magnet because it had been kind of stuck with glue on this. What I did was I just took some scissors and kind of cut through it. So if you have an issue, that's an option. Just be really careful, guys, because, you know, don't want you getting hurt. My washi tape, so stinking pretty. I love it. It's black with these little delicate flowers on it. I love. I'm so happy. So now that I've ranted on and on about this toolkit, let's look at the painting. Let's look at the canvas. So canvas comes wrapped in this protective sleeve. It has Diamond Art Club's logo, name and logo on it. Do what makes you sparkle. Oh my goodness. So I know that the rendering on this may not have been perfect, but look at that canvas quality. It definitely is. And when you look at this, you can definitely tell what it is too. Oh, this is so great. So I'm not seeing any issues with the printed symbols or anything like that. I may end up doing some alterations in like Gigi's, that's the cat's name, Gigi's eyes here. I might end up doing some adjustments, but for right now, everything looks pretty decent. So this canvas, the edges come sturgeon scallop to prevent fraying. The bottom here has all of their social media information. I'll flash that up on the screen for a minute for you to read and maybe jot down, take a screenshot if you need. On the bottom right-hand corner, they have their lifetime warranty information. All their kits come with their canvas comes with a lifetime warranty and free missing diamond protection. The lower left hand has a thumbnail of the pasting area and the information. Once again, this is Flower Delivery by Yume Art and Diamond Art Club. It's 22 inches by 32 inches or 55.8 centimeters by 80.7 centimeters. So it's a smaller one, which is nice. On the right and left hand sides, you have the symbol list with the pictures of all the symbols, the serial numbers, and the color codes for DMC. The top of the canvas has their logo and name. Do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. Their canvas is poured glue, and it has a really nice sparkly quality to it. Your kit will also come with step-by-step instructions, information on how to get their app, which you can get 20% off for your first purchase through the app. It has what is in their kit, shows you some tricks and tips for diamond painting, gives you step-by-step instructions to do it as well, gives you information for their VIP Facebook group, and a discount code. Thank you 10. So feel free to use that. This is a sticker sheet. It has a place for you to put your start date, your end date, gives you the dimensions, another image of the picture, and all of these stickers you can remove and put on containers so that you can kit up your painting a little easier. We're going to open some diamonds, so crinkle alert. If you're not a fan of the sound, you plug your ears for a few minutes. It's my recommendation. Here are all of the diamonds. Let's start off. Oh, I forgot to mention, this has 5 ABs. That's right, guys. So the first one, let's start off with an AB. Look at it. Oh my goodness, that's so gorgeous. That's 140, 3855, 3853, 823. We have 2 of those. 645, 646, 3765, 336. We have 3 of those. 3766, 3818, 312, 126. That's another AB. So pretty. For those of you who don't know, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It's a shiny coating they put on top of some of the diamonds to make them shine brighter and sparkle just a little bit fancier. We have 3866. We have 2 of those. 3860, 2 of those, and 155. We have 3854, 924, 890, 803, 996, 775, 160, 310. That's not a lot of 310s, guys, but it's enough to add some beautiful color. Or lack of color. 898, 127. Ooh, that's another AB. Look at that. That's a really pretty skin tone color. Ooh, I like it. 3746, 938, 3708, 977, 3813, 754, 893, 3778, 300, and 3834, 647, 824, two of those, 702, 340, there's two of those, 301, 451, 700, 699, 704, Z. What is this? Z743. This is like a specialty one, you guys. Oh, interesting. How interesting. This has like a coating on it. It's not AB, but it's like sparkles. It's like glitter. It has like a glitter coating on it. Cool. I don't know what it's called, but we'll call those the Z diamonds. So the Z diamonds have glitter coating on top. That's awesome. And we have 453. One more section, it looks like. These are the smaller ones. 581, 3371, 159, 932, 114. That's another AB drill. It's like a reddish orange, really pretty. 100, green AB. 333, 452, 161, 718, 3863, 814, 498, 3747, 947, 152, 817, 948, 3772, and 961. Cool. Okay, so let's look and see where some of these are. I'm really curious about the Z. So for the Z diamonds, we're looking at W's. There's W's down here in the path and going up the path. So the path's going to be kind of glittery. That's cool. There's some in these flowers over here. I see some sprinkled here, here, and that's what I see at a glance. So then we have the 5 different ABs. So we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ugh. Okay, number 1 I think is going to be the green. There's some up here in the vines that are twisting around her broom. There's a few right here. There's a few down here in the flowers. Actually, that might be on the bike. It's kind of hard to tell on this. It might be on the bike seat. Number 2 is those red-orange, and those are in those flowers here. Not here, here, and up here on her shoes, and up here in her bow as well. Up there in her bow, so that's really cute. Number 3, which I'm thinking, I don't remember. I think 126. I think that was like a pink color. Was there a pink? So now I gotta look and see because I'm not gonna be able to let that go. Nope, nope, nope. 127 is the peach. Maybe it was like purple or green or... I don't remember, guys. Oh yeah, it is a lavender. Okay, so 126, that we're looking for number 3. That's a lavender color. There's quite a lot in here, actually. So let's see where we can find those. Okay, all of these flowers here, they go all the way up here and up and around. Those all have that number 3 in them. And even down here on the side here a little bit right there too. So there's a lot of those in this canvas, which is amazing. Number 4 is that skin colored pink. There's 4, those 4s. The symbol number 4 that we're gonna look for is number 127, and that's that skin toned peachy color. There's a bunch right here, and those are kind of scattered. There's a fair amount of those, but about half as much as the lilac ones, the lavender color ones. So these ones kind of go up and around the same place that does, it looks like, but just less of them. So that's going to be really pretty. And number 5 is that dark turquoise color. So those we're going to see all in these flowers here. These flowers right here. Wait, yes, right here. Like I thought I saw them and then I didn't. Here in this window. This window has them. So this picture and some other scattered flowers. This picture is going to be really, really interesting. Oh, at the very top, there's quite a few up here too of those 5s up here. Wow. So this picture is going to have a lot. It's going to have a lot of ABs. I think that's really, really awesome. Let's see if I can find the descriptor for this piece. All right, guys, before I go, I'm going to read for you the description of this beautiful piece. Soar high with Kiki's enchanting floral delivery as she and her trusty black cat whisk you away on a magical broomstick adventure. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm going to go start on this, make a kitting up video. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.